4th National Conference and India School Merit Awards. We have Mr. N.A. Harris with us. So how did you find this event?
It's really very good. So I think many more programs like this for education students in different cities also. Because I think we are getting a good exposure to the
Can you please
what is
wait
the
a
new
minute?
technology for education, and also the basic concept. Some of the people who spoke really spoke what was needed for education. I think it's an excellent program.
You are apparently coming up with an institution. So what do you have to say about that?
No, this has been very passionately. I'm making a school actually. I had lot of dreams for that. I want to be very different from what is there today, what is happening today. To be very honest, I don't know whether we are really giving what is required for the children. We are just teaching books and just completing the syllabus. I don't believe that. We need to teach them what they need to learn. So we are planning for something very different to be there. And maybe we want to change the way the entire education system is looking at.
So apparently you're looking for a group of institutions, not just a single institution.
Not surely. I just want to showcase one and go ahead with more to come.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable time.
And it's going to have an integrated curriculum, just like Singapore. So it will be integrated from the pre-primary, primary and the high school. There will be no kind of disparity between them. So that's a kind of a different concept which is coming.
That's awesome, sir.
Usha is doing the curriculum for us. Usha Mohan Iyer is behind us, and we are doing it together.
I'm trying to help him to set up.
So you have the best with you.
Yeah, sure. We want
A team
everything
is
best
there.
there.
Anil, why don't you join?
Mr. Anil, I want to congratulate you, Anil. Very good. Very good. Really, I mean, I never expected it to be like this.
At this
Yeah,
juncture.
it's really very good. Very informative, and I think all people who are concerned with education are there. That's very important. It was nice.
Thank you so much, sir. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Manish Naidu. I own a company called Brain Wonders. We have more than 92 centers across India. We are the largest geometric company in the world. So the concept is we do brain mapping. We identify the child's inborn potential, strength, weakness, parenting method, the right direction for the child, which everybody needs. So it's a US patented product. We won the Best Student Counseling Award. Today we are being awarded as the best outstanding service in the field of education. So it's a brilliant concept, well researched and well formed. For the K-12 sector, it is a basic thing required.
So for today's event, what do you have to say for it?
For today's event, in fact, we have to say everything, right from identifying the child's potential, learning and knowing the left and right brain dominance, learning style, strengths, weakness, characteristics, anything and everything which the parent, the child, the principals, the teachers want in the ecosystem, all can be positively looked across through this particular DMI test.
So you think it's the right platform you're on today?
It's a brilliant platform. In fact, Education Today has done a wonderful work in terms of getting all the people on the same pedestal and making them work together. So the synergies looks brilliant. The crowd which has been assembled out here is the topmost cities and schools in India, and it is a brilliant platform.
Thank you, sir.
And thanks for you to cover it up.
Thank you so much, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Chetan Jaiswal, CEO Noitecute Education Services, mypv.com.
Can we know something more about your product?
We are a team of child psychologists and psychiatrists. We map kids' behavior. We deploy our psychologists in the schools, and these psychologists find out every child's strength and the weak areas. Depending on the need, we start tailoring our approach, and then we start coming out with innovative solutions. So these analytics, what we come out of this particular mapping, these analytics helps the school and the teachers to start working on the child in terms of their every need wise.
So today at the K-12 conference, which is the 4th National Conference on K-12 Leadership and India School Merit Awards, what do you have to say about education today?
It's a wonderful platform. It's like one of its own conferences what I've attended in India and in Asia, where we are not only able to interact with all the evident educators, but also we are able to see that many people are coming on the same kind of thoughts, where we can meet, we can interact, we can explore more ideas, we can come out with somewhere we can collaborate with them. So it's a wonderful platform altogether. Education today has been good.
Thank you so much. Sir, tell us something about your school.
Well, we are a school from Varanasi, the cultural capital of the country, and presently we are having about 21 branches all around Benares, that's eastern Uttar Pradesh, the place which actually has a population of nearly equal to Europe, and we have a student strength of 25,000 children, 3,500 staff members. Education is needed in those areas, and we think the children are very motivated. They dream big, they achieve big. Our students are doing very well, they go abroad. And this is a 45-year-old school. I was in the civil services and I resigned and I joined my mother's venture. And Sunbeam is rocking all over. A lot of Sunbeam students and alumni are in Bangalore as well. They're able to come and meet me in the evening. So it's a lovely world, the children's world. And Sunbeam is focusing on taking the best out of Indian culture, heritage and music, and fusing it with modern techniques of education, computers, and I mean, all kinds of good things from anywhere in the world. We keep our doors and windows open to them. And our roots are right into the Varanasi soil, the Kashi, the Banaras, the Sanskriti, the music, everything is there. So that's about Sunday.
So, sir, you're winning an award today on the Education Today Forum. What do you have to say about that?
In fact, three of my schools are winning the award, and initially we were thinking we'll send the principals, but then there were 3 awards, so me and Bharti ma'am, we both had come here. One award is with one of our schools called Sunbeam Varuna. It's called the award of value for money, number 1. And then one of the oldest schools in Sunbeam Bhawanpur is getting the number 1 in India for academic transfer of knowledge and something like that. And then the third one is the one which is getting for sports. It's the biggest boarding school, in fact, in Uttar Pradesh. It's got 850 students. Sunbeam Sun City. It's number 1 in sports and boarding. So these are the 3 number 1 awards we are getting, and we are very happy. And that's why we are here. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir, for that. Thank you so much.
Data pipes, voice telephoning, as well as solutions which are related to IoT. So we feel the Education Institute is actually looking for digitization today, and hence we are here.
So, sir, how do you feel this association with Education Today? This is the first time you have associated with educationtoday.co, and Education Today specializes in doing K-12 conferences and India School Merit Awards, this being the 4th School Merit Awards. How do you find the platform?
Actually very innovative. I was very impressed the way it has been organized, and that it is a national platform. You are awarding the schools, you are awarding the students, you are involving the parents to nominate, you are also having the judges to judge it. So almost everything has been taken and considered, and I am sure it will boost the confidence of most of the educational institutes who are doing it today. So it's a great platform. Actually, I am very impressed.
Thank you so much, sir. Hello, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Manit Ramaya. I work as a concept development manager for acoustics in a company called Saint-Gobain. And the brand I represent is Ecophone, which is into acoustic ceilings and wall solutions.
So you've been associated with Education Today earlier as well. So how do you feel? What kind of platform, the kind of platform that you were expecting, do you feel you're at the right platform?
I think honestly, there is no such a large platform today that exists where the thought leaders and decision makers in the education field could actually come at a single point contact and to interact, to understand, to learn and explore new developments in this field. I think I'm not really aware there are hardly any other such large platforms available. So it's a great show, a great event to interact and meet some of these large key stakeholders, and I think I'm really looking forward towards it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, I'm Archana. I'm the Dean at Chrysalis High School, Bangalore. And I've been in this field for probably almost 30 years now. I love what I do. And it's my passion that's kind of kept me in this field. And it's great to be part of this forum today. And I'm quite excited. I'm one of the speakers, and I'm looking forward to sharing my thoughts with the others. Thank you.
You're winning an award as well today. So what do you have to say about that?
Yes, it's quite exciting, and hopefully it's the parents' votes also. That's one of the parameters that has kind of got us here. So I'm quite excited. It just makes us feel that we are on the right track more than anything else. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. Thank you so much.
So can you please introduce yourself to the camera?
I am Swami Mazbuda, co-founder of Eddie Sports.
So you've been earlier as well, you've always been associated with education today. So how do you feel the platform here?
So I think as a provider to schools, we keep looking for ways in which we can reach out to school leaders. This seems to be a credible platform where some of the schools are showing up and at least have a context to understand what we offer. So look forward to building that.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Myself, Rabindranath Mukherjee. I am my company NTAB Infotech Private Limited. We are a Delhi-based company for the last 16 years, and we are offering school-based school ERP software management. That's it.
So how do you find the Education Today platform? Is it the right platform that you were looking for?
See, education today has diversified, and I think education sector has become much more diversified than it has been in the past. Today we have lot of opportunities and lot of facilities that we are providing to parents, to teachers, everybody. And education is a sector where government is also encouraging and investing much more money than what they have been offering in the past. So this is a growing sector, and we need to concentrate more on this sector, so that for the future benefit and for the betterment of the child tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you won an award this afternoon. How do you feel?
Great. We got the first prize from Karnataka, first in Bangalore, and the third from All India level.
So what do you think what are those special qualities and things that you all incorporate in education, in the school, that makes you all at the top list?
I think mainly the faculty. We have excellent faculty who train the children so well. And second thing is the discipline in the school, and the infrastructure, and the great management who is very, very supportive in everything.
We have Mr. Manas coming this evening and being a panelist with us. So what do you have to say about that?
Manas being one of the board of directors for our school, he's very, very supportive in everything, whatever we need for the school, for the progress of the school with regard to academics, co-curricular activities. And he is a person who wants to implement all new technology and new method of teaching, creative method of teaching. He is very much for this, which we all appreciate a lot. And our teachers are very, very competent enough to take up all these, new methods of teaching, learning process.
Thank you so much, ma'am.